Hi, Babu. We're finally here at our Airbnb. Hi. Hi, we're finally here at our Airbnb. Hello. We drove from Winnipeg to this Airbnb. It's like almost 2 hours. But we drove. So we'll give you a tour of the Airbnb. So we're here at the cabin now. It's like a 2-hour drive from Winnipeg, and I'm here at the front porch right now. I'll show you on the video, but look, it's so cute. Bebo's inside. We just finished up unloading all our stuff from the car, and I'll give you a tour. Let's go in. This is our living room, the Airbnb's living room. They have a wood burning stove, but they also have like heaters here. We have our firewood there. This is from summer, and we didn't use it, so we're gonna use it now. My pogi boyfriend. And this is the kitchen. This is another door to the back, and they're cleaning stuff. There you go. I'm really happy that we got this Airbnb. It's really cute. Plus it's not too far from the city. This is the first bedroom where we decided we're just gonna put all of our stuff here. Like our jackets, our luggages, and all the other stuff that we're not gonna use. This is our own private closet for this day. Then this is the office. It's a private room. It's locked, so we don't have access to that. This is the washroom. There you go. Washroom. Sink. go. Then we have the master's bedroom. This is where we're gonna sleep or stay here, the Airbnb. We're gonna be staying here for 3 nights and 4 days. I go back to the living room. Those are all the rooms here, the washroom, and going back to my bedroom. I was just relaxing here. Remember, everyone is So now we're gonna be cooking our supper or dinner. We have, what are we gonna be making, Mebu?
Chicken penne pasta.
That. I don't know how we're gonna make that, but that's what we're gonna make. What did you put in, sir?
Chicken and bacon.
Chicken and bacon. That's the meat perm, and it's already dark outside. Look. You can't see the trees. We're excited to see like the trees in the morning during the daylight, because earlier when we got here, the trees were so beautiful. They had like snow and everything was white. Good morning!
Good morning!
It's officially our day of adventure. So for today, we are out of the cabin. It's already 2 p.m. So we did some stuff this morning. We did our journaling. We did our readings. everything, and we were just chilling in the cabin this morning. We're probably gonna be going to some of the trails here. I'll go this way. Ooh. Earning. Wow. Wait.
Be careful.
Wait. Where? Uy.
Oh, see. You can just go there now.
It's an adventure. Careful.
We're proper here.
I don't know.
I hope not.
It's pretty. Look.
Whoa! Oh, look, they're ice fishing.
Oh, there's people here doing ice fishing. This is our first activity for today.
In the area.
Exploring the area. I'm not even wearing winter boots. But it's so pretty. Look.
What I'm stepping. I forgot to lock my car.
You first. Uy.
As if this is gonna do anything.
Oh, it's nice to take photos here, Bebo. We're going back to the car. We're going to a different trail. And we'll see. I'm trying to explore that whole area. Even if it's really cold right now, it's fun.
Maybe it's slippery.
What's up? Oh, careful. We can follow the trail, oh.
I'll let him go first, just in case it's thin ice.
Now we're going back to the cabin and we're probably going to be doing another activity, like a lot of activities that we planned for today and tomorrow. Now we're just heading back to the cabin. First indoor activity for today is that we're going to be making a homemade pizza! Now we have all the ingredients for making the pizza dough.
I thought I was just here to eat.
Ingredients for the homemade pizza dough, we have, this is our flour, we have sugar
and salt.
and salt, and then we have olive oil, and then we have garlic powder, and then we have the yeast for the dough, and then we have warm water.
Wow. I actually don't know. It looks like it.
And then salt and sugar. Oh, whoa. Olive oil.
Yes. This is 1 and 1.
This is how it looks like now.
Add any additional. Yes, it is. He has the muscles.
Whoa.
That was like 1 I know. Maybe that's 1. Generously with olive oil. Brush to brush up the sides of it.
Do you just mix this till it forms a ball? That's it?
Now stick it out. Use your hands to roll the pizza dough along the inside of the ball until it is
We have our pizza dough ball!
hopefully it will rise.
Hopefully it'll rise. If it doesn't, we don't have dinner tonight.
Tapos, use either your hands or a rolling pin to work the dough into a 12-inch circle. He's doing so great. I can't wait to eat.
Yeah. Ooh, we're gonna put the toppings now. Pizza dough, chicken, and then some bacon. Pizza sauce, our veggies, cheese. Whoa. Then onions. And then the bacon bits. Oh. Do you want to put some?
I'll put some.
Lots of cheese. Wow, looks so pretty. Our pizza dough. So we have the pizza sauce, some bell peppers, some onions, even if you don't see it, because Bebo doesn't really like onions. And also we have some bacon bits, chicken, and cheese. We have cheddar cheese on there. Dinner is ready! Just came right out of the oven. I swear it smells so good right now. Right, Bebu?
Yeah, I wish they could smell it too. It's so good.
I think it's successful. Alright, Bebu. Cheers. I'm gonna put some.
You need to try it without putting anything on it.
Okay.
It's actually really good.
Good. Oh my god. It's so good. I'm so happy. The pizza's so good. You want this? Okay, our next activity for tonight is doing this. Lego! This is the gift that we got from Ella and Tony for Christmas.
Thanks, Ella and Tony.
Thanks again, Ella and Tony. So we're just gonna do this
A little update. We didn't fight yet. We're still okay. We're still together.
And he's so patient with me.
He is patient with me too.
Base, and then this. He has like the cute flowers already. Lego swatch. We are done with the Lego, our plum blossom tree. Look, it's very similar to that. So cute. And it's time for bed.
Oh.
Bedtime na.
25 pala.
It's so cute.